In this video, I will show you how to fix the error Steam must be running to play this game when launching a game on Steam. This issue usually appears after a recent Steam update. Let's fix it step by step. First, open your web browser and download Cloudflare WARP VPN. Download the latest stable version, install it on your computer, and then launch it. Once installed, go to the taskbar and click the up arrow icon. Find the Cloudflare WARP icon, click on it, and turn the VPN on. After connecting the VPN, open File Explorer and go to this location. C Drive Program Files, x86, Steam. Inside the Steam folder, press X on your keyboard to quickly locate the file named zinput1_4.dll. Right-click on this file and choose Rename. Change the file name to dumapi.dll. Press Enter to save the change. Now close the folder and make sure Steam is completely closed. Right-click the Steam icon in the taskbar and select Exit Steam. Finally, launch Steam again and start your game. The Steam must be running to play this game. Error should now be fixed. If this video helped you, please subscribe and turn on notifications for more PC fixes and gaming solutions. Thanks for watching.
Gave him a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes.